The world of vehicles is changing rapidly, and some machines look like they came straight from the future. In this video, we'll explore 15 incredible vehicles you've probably never seen before. From flying machines and futuristic electric motorcycles to amphibious vehicles and extreme off-road creations, these machines push transportation in exciting new directions. Each one features unique technology, bold engineering, and a fascinating purpose. Some are built for speed, while others are designed for adventure, exploration, or extreme environments. So let's discover these remarkable vehicles and see how they could reshape the future of mobility. GAC GOVY AirCab introduces a futuristic concept for urban transportation by moving short-distance travel into the air. Developed by Govy, a low-altitude mobility technology company incubated by GAC's group, the AirCab is a multi-rotor flying car designed for city journeys and low-altitude sightseeing. Its aircraft-inspired configuration features a distinctive front light signal matrix, creating a modern visual identity. Safety is a major part of its development, with GATS highlighting multiple redundant systems for propulsion, energy, flight control, and communications. The vehicle also incorporates intelligent low-altitude obstacle avoidance technology to support safer flight operations. The AirCab made its global debut in Hong Kong in June 2025, with a pre-order price announced at no more than 1.68 million RMB. In May 2026, the first AirCab rolled off Govy's Guangzhou production line, marking another step toward industrial-scale production and future low-altitude mobility applications. REGENT Squire Seaglider introduces a unique approach to maritime mobility, combining features of a boat, aircraft, and drone. Designed to travel quickly while staying close to the water, the Seaglider can operate in 3 modes: floating on its hull, riding on hydrofoils, and flying above the surface using ground effect. Squire is REGENT's autonomous platform developed for defense and other maritime missions. In April 2026, the company announced that Squire successfully completed a ground effect flight demonstration, marking an important development milestone. The vehicle is designed for speeds of up to 80 miles per hour, a range exceeding 100 nautical miles, and a payload capacity of 50 pounds. Potential applications include surveillance, logistics, search and rescue, intelligence missions, and anti-submarine warfare. Its autonomous systems are designed to detect altitude, waves, surface traffic, and underwater conditions during operations. 2026 Campagna T-Rex RR takes a completely different approach to road-going performance, combining the open feel of a motorcycle with the structure of a sports machine. Its 3-wheel layout, open cockpit, and lightweight construction create a distinctive driving experience. At its center is a 1,441 cubic centimeter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine producing 208 horsepower, with an 11,000 RPM redline. Campagna lists a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.9 seconds and a total weight of 498 kilograms. Power is delivered to the rear wheel through a 6-speed sequential manual gearbox and chain drive. The T-Rex RR also features a rigid tubular steel roll cage, ABS, and 3 levels of traction control. Adjustable Elka Stage 5 coilover suspension and rack and pinion steering complete its performance-focused setup. With its unusual design, open cockpit, and motorcycle-inspired character, the T-Rex RR offers a distinctive alternative to conventional sports cars. Fat Truck FT2 Pickup is an unusual amphibious utility vehicle designed to travel across terrain where conventional pickups struggle. Its enormous low-pressure tires, hydrostatic drivetrain, and 4 hydraulic motors allow it to operate on difficult ground and water. The FT2 can carry up to 4 people, with a payload capacity of 2,000 pounds on land and 1,500 pounds on water. Powered by a 56 horsepower, 3-cylinder Hatz diesel engine producing 136 pound-feet of torque, it can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour on land and 3.1 miles per hour on water. Its massive 52 by 24 by 20 inch tires can operate at pressures as low as 0.5 pounds per square inch, helping it move across soft surfaces. Instead of conventional pedals and controls, the FT2 uses a single joystick for operation. With rollover protection, automatic braking, and specialized accessories, the FT2 is built for demanding environments beyond normal roads. Verge TS Ultra is an electric motorcycle built around a radically different engineering concept. Instead of placing a conventional motor inside the chassis, Verge integrates the motor directly into the rear wheel, creating space for a full-body battery while eliminating chains, belts, and a traditional gearbox. The TS Ultra produces a claimed 150 kilowatts of power and 1,200 Newton-meters of torque, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.5 seconds and a top speed of 200 km per hour. Its 33.3 kilowatt-hour all-solid-state battery is claimed to deliver more than 600 kilometers of range, while fast charging can add over 297 kilometers in under 10 minutes. The motorcycle also features star matter vision, using 6 cameras and 2 high-resolution radars for a 360-degree view. With advanced safety systems, Brembo brakes, and futuristic styling, the TS Ultra presents a bold vision for electric motorcycling. Italdesign Quintessenza is a futuristic concept vehicle that combines the character of a high-performance Gran Turismo with the practicality of a pickup. Revealed at Auto China 2024, the concept presents a vision for family travel, performance, and outdoor adventures in one vehicle. Its design features sporty proportions, muscular surfaces, and a functional rear section. Inside, Quintessenza accommodates 4 passengers, while its rear seats can rotate 180 degrees, allowing occupants to face outward and connect with their surroundings. The vehicle also includes an electric tailgate, illuminated elements, smartphone controls, haptic technology, and a multifunctional console. Sustainability is another part of the concept, with natural fiber materials and an electric architecture featuring ELAF in-wheel motors. This setup reduces conventional mechanical components and creates more freedom for vehicle design. Inspired by water, earth, fire, air, and humanity, Quintessenza explores a new relationship between technology, mobility, and nature. Lazzarini Colossea is a futuristic superyacht concept that combines luxury travel with airship exploration. Designed by Pierpaolo Lazzarini, the 204-meter yacht is envisioned as a floating base for a detachable airship called Norge 2.0, inspired by the historic N1 Norge that crossed the North Pole in 1926. Measuring around 106 meters long, Norge 2.0 is designed to operate independently, featuring a carbon fiber structure, 8 electric engines, and 22 isolated internal compartments for batteries, cabins, and liquid hydrogen tanks. The airship is planned to reach approximately 90 knots. Meanwhile, the Colossea yacht includes multiple decks, guest suites, swimming pools, a beach club, and a helipad. Its proposed propulsion system uses high-temperature superconducting electric motors, with a projected top speed of about 22 knots. Still a concept, Colossea presents an extraordinary vision where ocean travel and airborne exploration become part of one futuristic experience, expanding the possibilities of luxury transportation and adventure. Peraves MonoRacer is an unusual combination of motorcycle and compact car built around a streamlined enclosed cabin for fast and comfortable travel. The two-wheeled vehicle uses a self-supporting composite body and integrated steel safety frame, creating a distinctive alternative to conventional motorcycles. The electric MonoRacer 130E features a permanent magnet synchronous motor producing 130 kilowatts, or about 173 horsepower, and 200 newton-meters of torque. It can reach a claimed top speed of 250 km per hour and accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 5 seconds. Its 28.5 kWh lithium-ion battery provides a claimed range of up to 400 km. Inside, the two-seat cabin includes heated seats, a heated windshield, air conditioning, navigation, and a reversing camera. Electrically operated side support wheels provide additional stability when needed. With its enclosed design, narrow footprints, and leaning two-wheel behavior, the MonoRacer creates a unique combination of motorcycle dynamics and automotive comfort. ZAPATA AirScooter II is a personal vertical takeoff aircraft designed to bring individual flight closer to everyday use. Developed by French inventor Frankie Zapata and his team, the AirScooter uses a hybrid electric propulsion system rather than relying entirely on batteries. The ultralight aircraft is initially intended for recreational flying, with potential future applications in broader air mobility. Its computer-assisted fly-by-wire system uses 3 independent flight controllers, each equipped with its own computer, inertial navigation unit, and GPS sensors. These systems continuously manage heading, speed, and altitude while providing additional redundancy. The AirScooter 2 measures approximately 3.4 meters long and wide, with a height of 2.56 meters. Zapata says it can remain airborne for more than 2 hours. The company is also exploring sustainable aviation fuel options and plans to introduce the AirScooter through flight centers, beginning in the United States, offering a distinctive vision of compact personal transportation in the sky. ECCOV Eurobike 4W is an unusual four-wheel electric mobility platform that explores the space between bicycles and compact electric vehicles. ECCOV, a South Korean mobility company that grew from a Hyundai Motor Group in-house venture, focuses on electric bicycles, cargo mobility, and ultra-small vehicle structures. Its approach combines lightweight mobility with manufacturing ideas borrowed from the automotive industry. The company developed modular platform architecture that can support different vehicle configurations while sharing common components and engineering. Earlier four-wheel projects used an electric vehicle-style skateboard layout, stamped structures, and distinctive suspension systems. ECCOV has also developed modular cargo vehicles for transportation and delivery applications, emphasizing durability, flexibility, and practical production methods. Displayed through its Eurobike presence, the Eurobike 4W demonstrates how mobility can evolve beyond traditional two-wheel designs. Its compact footprint, four-wheel stability, and modular construction highlight new possibilities for practical urban transportation and adaptable future micro-mobility. Morgan Midsummer Coupé is an exceptionally rare grand touring creation that transforms the open-top Midsummer into a dramatic fixed-head automobile. Revealed by Morgan in June 2026, the project began when a client requested a roofed interpretation of the original Midsummer. Rather than simply adding a roof, Morgan and Pininfarina developed an entirely new design and structural architecture. Only 9 customer commissions are planned, making the Coupé particularly exclusive. Its design features a large glazed canopy, flowing coach-built surfaces, and a distinctive silhouette. The structure combines hand-formed aluminium bodywork with traditional craftsmanship and digitally measured construction techniques. Wood also plays an important role, with an ash body frame contributing to the load-bearing architecture. Aluminium, glass, and wood are carefully integrated into one engineering solution. The Midsummer Coupé demonstrates how Morgan can combine modern manufacturing with generations of coach-building expertise, creating a contemporary grand tourer while preserving the handcrafted character that defines the British mark. BAC Mono R is a road-legal single-seat supercar created around extreme lightweight performance. Developed by Briggs Automotive Company, the Mono R features a redesigned body with 44 bespoke carbon fiber panels, sharper aerodynamics, and a formula-inspired ram air intake. Its naturally aspirated 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine, developed with Mountune, produces 343 brake horsepower and revs to 8,800 revolutions per minute. Weighing only 555 kilograms, the Mono R achieves a power-to-weight ratio of around 618 brake horsepower per ton and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a claimed 2.5 seconds. The car also introduced graphene-enhanced carbon fiber across its body panels, alongside magnesium components, carbon ceramic brakes, lightweight exhaust technology, and adjustable Öhlins dampers. Inside, the driver sits alone in a central position, creating a focused connection between person and machine. Produced in very limited numbers, the Mono R combines racing-inspired engineering, advanced materials, and remarkable performance in an exceptionally compact package. Ryse Recon is an unusual single-seat electric aircraft designed to make personal flight more accessible. Developed by Ryse Aero Technologies, the Recon uses 6 independent electric propulsion systems, each powered by its own removable rechargeable battery. This configuration provides power redundancy while allowing vertical takeoff without conventional runways. Designed for both land and water operations, the aircraft can serve potential applications including agriculture, ranching, surveying, recreation, and access to remote locations. Ryse lists a maximum speed of up to 63 miles per hour, approximately 25 minutes of flight time, and a payload capacity of up to 250 pounds. The Recon is also designed around FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations. Its flight system combines proprietary AI-based stability software with independent motors and batteries. Demonstrations have included manned takeoffs, hovering, forward flight, turns, and controlled landings. With its open cockpit and joystick-style controls, the Recon resembles a flying utility vehicle rather than a conventional aircraft. Renault Filante Record 2025 is an experimental electric vehicle designed to explore the limits of energy efficiency. Resembling a futuristic aircraft on 4 wheels, this single-seat demonstration vehicle combines extreme aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and advanced electronic systems. It measures 5.12 meters long while weighing only 1,000 kilograms, with an 87 kilowatt-hour battery shared in capacity with the Renault Scenic E-Tech Electric. Its streamlined body uses wheel fairings, narrow tires, and carefully shaped surfaces to reduce aerodynamic drag and energy loss. Inside, steer-by-wire and brake-by-wire systems replace conventional mechanical connections, while specially developed Michelin tires reduce rolling resistance. On December 18, 2025, the Filante Record 2025 covered 1,008 kilometers in less than 10 hours at an average speed of 102 kilometers per hour, consuming just 7.8 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. With 11% battery remaining, the vehicle demonstrated how advanced efficiency technologies could influence the next generation of electric transportation. Nissan Terrano PHEV concept brings a familiar nameplate back in a completely new form. Unveiled at Auto China 2026, this rugged SUV combines Nissan's off-road heritage with modern plug-in hybrid technology. Designed for outdoor adventures and everyday urban driving, the concept features a boxy body, chunky off-road tires, squared body cladding, a large roof rack, additional driving lights, and a rear-mounted spare wheel. A ladder provides access to the roof, while the front features a muscular bumper, segmented lighting, and a distinctive hood design. Nissan has not released detailed powertrain specifications, but confirms that the concept uses its latest plug-in hybrid technology. The production version is planned for unveiling within 1 year of the concept's debut and is intended for selected global markets. With its rugged styling, electrified powertrain, and adventure-focused character, the Terrano PHEV concept shows how Nissan is reimagining a familiar SUV name for a new generation.